Hey, what's up everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2020 GLA 250 4MATIC. This one's in night black. Underneath the hood is a 2-liter 4-cylinder turbo pushing out 208 horsepower and 258 pounds of torque. For wheels we've got 5-spoke alloys. The tires are in good condition. A black MB Tex interior. Panorama sunroof. Coming around back, we've got our GLA 250 4MATIC badging. A power liftgate, set of all-season and regular floor mats, cargo cover, fold-down rear seats. Coming alongside, this one does come with the Premium 1 package, which is going to give you a blind spot assist, keyless entry, Harman Kardon sound system, memory seats, power windows, an LED logo which appears when you open the door. Hopping in, we've got our steering wheel controls. This one also does come with smartphone integration, which is going to give you Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. We've got paddle shifters for extra performance. Also included is the convenience package, which is going to give you garage door openers, an auto dimming mirror. We've got a rear view backup camera, satellite radio, hard keys for a media display, heated seats, dual climate controls, cup holders. This GLA 250 has 3,584 miles. Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this GLA 250, check out feldmanimports.com.